Hi guys and welcome back to the video. Today I will show you how to convert your Facebook account to Facebook page. So just follow the same steps that I will show in this video and that will be helpful to you to convert your Facebook account to your Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser and now open your Facebook. Now here you will see your profile. Just open your profile. Now scroll down and here you will see three dots. Click on these three dots. Now click on turn to professional mode. Now scroll down and just click on turn on. As you can see that your professional mode has been turned on. Just click on done and your Facebook page is ready to go. So with the help of this Facebook page you can earn a lot by the followers and the views on your videos. Due to the Facebook page you will be able to add more and more followers to your profile, and with the same steps you can also convert your Facebook account to your Facebook page. So that was the quick tutorial, and just like our video and subscribe our channel for the latest updates, and that's it. Thanks for watching our video.